Hi, welcome to Pictory. Let's take a quick look at how AI credits work and how they help you create. AI credits power everything inside AI Studio. They are a single shared currency used across Pictory's AI tools. To create images or videos, simply head into AI Studio. Each time you generate something, credits are used automatically and are deducted when a generation completes. AI avatars work in the same way. You can find avatars here in the sidebar. Your subscription plan also determines how many credits you receive. You can check your remaining credits anytime by clicking here. To buy more credits, click on your credits button and select Buy Credits. You can then select how many monthly credits you would like. Credits renew monthly with your plan's billing cycle. That's it. Simple, flexible, and designed to keep you creating.